After signing into our forum, you will see our official profile setting at the top. We want to save you time figuring out how to set up, so select the forum at the bottom and you will see popular FPS games profiles at the top. If you can't find your game, you can press More. After downloading the profile, we allow you to set the key binding, which basically means mapping the controller buttons to the keyboard and mouse. If you come from PC gaming, you already know W, A, S, and D are the default keys for movement, but you can change to other keys too. If you feel the mouse movement is too fast or slow, you can adjust mouse sensitivity. Also, you can adjust mouse acceleration and dead zone settings. Macro functions allow users to combine multiple key functions into one key. Like here, we combine the R1 plus L1 buttons into the B key for your trigger. We hope this tutorial has been helpful. See you around!